Make Machining Suggestion allows you to completely machine a feature by simply selecting the face of a component. Once initiated, NX gives you a choice of predefined machining process variants as suggested out-of-the-box solutions. The completed machining process includes the appropriate sequence of operations, with tool paths required to machine the feature using the correct tools. If you decide an alternative operation or sequence of operations should be used instead, you can add it to the feature group and add the suggestion to the library. The next time you use Make Machining Suggestion for that feature, the new suggestion will be available. To use Make Machining Suggestion, you will need to change the selection filter to Face. We'll begin by machining a pocket using the out-of-the-box suggestion determined by NX to rough and finish the feature in a single operation. Select a face, click the right mouse button, and select Make Machining Suggestion. At this time, you may only select a single face. NX selects the tool, generates the tool path, and creates the geometry group to rough and finish the feature in a single operation. Here you can see the feature group created by the suggestion containing the operation. You can also add suggestions. In this case, we'll copy the operation and modify it to create separate roughing and finishing operations. Then we'll add the separate roughing and finishing operations as a suggestion. We'll add the wall stock and rename operation to emphasize that this is a roughing operation. Now, we'll edit the finishing operation by specifying cut pattern as profile. This results in a tool path that finishes the pocket. We rename operation to finish and generate both of the new changed pocket operations. As you can see, we've changed the manufacturing process from roughing and finishing in one operation to roughing and finishing in two separate operations. We can now add this new process as a suggestion. Right-click on the feature group, select Object, Add as Suggestion, and give it a name. We can now use this suggestion to machine a feature. Whereas previously the system ran the automatic suggestion, which is the out-of-the-box rules, it now displays the added suggestion. If there is more than one added suggestion, then all added suggestions are displayed here. Select the Rough and Finish suggestion and click OK. Notice the output is the same as that of the operations we modified in the first feature group. To delete suggestion names, use the FBM configurator. Make Machining Suggestion as a geometry-driven operation provides users easy and immediate access to the machining process without the need to utilize classic FBM workflow. Generating single features is now a simple and intuitive process.